Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm riding my regular road bike. I'm not riding an e-bike today. This is the one. I'm just going on a um, just a casual evening ride just nearby. So I'd like to talk to you today about some of the good things that have happened to me ever since I've started riding an e-bike. So it's been about 6 months or so that I've been actively riding the e-bike to work and back. Um, things have really changed ever since I started doing that. So let's go on then. So to give you a little history about myself, I love cycling. I've been riding a bicycle since I was a kid, just like everyone else, most of us. And then after a while, as I got into a legal age where I could ride motorcycles, I bought a motorcycle. But even after that, I kept my cycling passion alive. I still used to use my bicycle as a daily commuter to college and all of that. The thing about our society is that in a conventional sense, bicycle is considered to be a kid's thing. Not anymore. I mean, cycling has taken a real boom in the recent years, but if you look at in layman's terms, people think only kids ride cycles, but that's not the case. Cycling is a really fun activity for people of any age. So after I used to do a little bit of commuting to college and all of that, I felt it was not really practical for me to do it, so I completely lost touch with cycling because I started using my motorcycle for everything. That was until the e-bike came into the picture. Ever since I bought the e-bike, it added the whole factor of practicality to the whole equation. That is, I can use that e-bike regularly to work, because even if I don't feel like putting in a lot of effort or feeling lazy that day, I can still take that e-bike to work without having to spend too much energy, which is a gift in disguise for someone like me who loves cycling. So that is one advantage that I've had. And I've been commuting on it for about, like I said, 6 months or so. So in my early days, I used to use up almost entire battery in my trip. That is, I used to charge, in fact, twice. Like my one-way distance is 15 kilometers. I used to go and charge it again in my workplace. And so basically, on per trip, I used to charge twice. Then as I developed my stamina towards cycling, that charging thing reduced. That is, I started doing that with one charge, 30 kilometers with one charge, and still some battery left. You can check out my video where I've spoken about the battery range, Hero Electro battery range test. It must be coming somewhere on the card above. So now I have also started regular cycling as I have a road bike, and I've a few days I don't even use the e-bike. I take my road bike to work, and that has really boosted my stamina. So as of now, my Hero Electro C8 that I use, I per charge, I think I can ride it more than 35-40 kilometers easily, because after every 30 kilometer trip, I still have 3 dots of battery left, which is like unbelievable. So e-biking has really rejuvenated my passion and my interest for cycling. I'll explain to you how. So it's like just because I have that motor assist, it gives me the confidence that I can take this far and long without having to worry about getting tired or climbing steep inclines. Like I always used to have this type of worry that, okay, what if I get tired on my way, and then what if I have to take a cab back home, all those embarrassing stuff. But with the e-bike, it's like remember when we were kids, we used to have those balancing wheels at the side of our bicycle that used to help us uh, you know uh, get the balance right. So e-bike did somewhat like that to me, but in terms of stamina. So I used to initially used to ride in the full level of pedal assist, and then eventually I started doing that with lesser and lesser of pedal assist mode, and now I kind of use none most of the times. So that way it has really helped me get back into cycling. I think that is one plus point, another plus point for me. That's how it has worked. So another benefit that I have been able to draw out of riding e-bikes is that my food and water intake and my overall fitness level has increased, I can say. I drink a lot of water than I used to before. My work involves a lot of sitting in front of the computer. It doesn't involve any sort of physical activity. So when cycling came into the picture, I have been eating well. My nutrition has improved, and also my water intake mainly has improved quite a lot, and I can feel a noticeable difference in that. So along with the pros that I spoke about, there are also some annoying stuff that I have to encounter every day for riding e-bikes. First one being on the road in everyday traffic. It is very very annoying and very unsafe, because people and other commuters do not really notice you no matter how hard you try. So I have a lot of flashing lights. I use a reflective strip, and then I try to do hand signals wherever necessary. Even then, people kind of don't see, and cab guys and auto guys always try to cut you off when you're going in like decent speeds, which is really not very safe. And talking about cycling lanes, there you don't know, there are cycling lanes in many major metropolitan cities, but I think they are of no use absolutely. People use them for parking, and then some people even ride their scooters on it, so it is not safe. So in conclusion, the riding an e-bike, in fact, I'm talking even from a cyclist point of view, commuting on a cycle to work in our major cities in India is not very safe. But nevertheless, more people start doing that and taking that activity seriously, I think even the government can do something about it. But if there is not many people doing it, so I think the government will see it as nothing, and they don't really find the need to develop an infrastructure for cycling. So now, especially after the lockdown, cycling has taken a big boom, I can say. But then that boom has only been diverted towards fitness cycling, and people cycling for as a leisure activity or a hobby. But it has not really come to a way where people have started cycling to work. I think if more people start using the bicycle or even e-bikes for work, I think a lot of things will change. First of all, the carbon footprint will reduce, and also the e-bikes can be priced better is what I feel, and we will have access to better e-bikes and better bike technology here in India. So that's all I have to say for today. This is just a new style of video that I tried. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By the way, also another reason why I'm riding this bike today is because I'm modifying my Hero Electro C8, and I'm going to make some videos about it. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. I will see you in the next one.